That is not what you want to do. Welcome back to another boxing training video. In today's video, we'll be breaking down the defense as known as the shell up or the turtle. Now, these are defensive technique. It's good, but it's also dangerous. I will talk about the dangerous side at first because I like the danger, you know. When you're here, you got the turtle up like this. So you're taking away a lot of your peripheral vision, a lot of your center line of vision. So your opponent can come in with the body shots and hurt you. So like this. I'm blocking, right? I think I'm going out here. Right? I couldn't see it coming right there because I'm too focused on that. Now, there is a way to make the shell up or the turtle more effective. When your opponent's there and the only option you have, come a little closer. You're against the ring, come a little closer. When you're against the ring or the ropes, there's only a couple options. If your opponent already cut you off a couple of times, only option is now to turtle up. How do you turtle up properly or shell up? Like this. So now put your hands like that, flat, right? You see? Don't get too close behind me like that. So your turtle up like this, no good. You want it like that, right? Like this on the side of your head and close it just a little bit so you can see. Because if you do this, you can't see. But if you do this, you can see. So it will be like this. So go. Boom, 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 boom. Right? I can see the punches going. Now, you know how to hold your hands properly. How do you get out? You don't want your opponent just to be ripping punches like this. Right? That was a low blow. You almost hit my damn cocky. It flew off of me like that. Come on. Keep it above the belt. Dirty fighter. So, let me read. Woo! Danger right there. Here. You don't want your opponent to go off and just boom, 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 landing punches. No. Keep it to the simple three. As soon as you feel three, let's go. React. Either step back like I showed you, slip, get out the way, boom, or counter back. Those are your three options. Not your only three options, but three of the best options. Now let's break them down. The step up back. So 1, 2, 3. As soon as I feel that third punch, hit me one time. Boom. Slow down. So hit me one time. As soon as I feel the punch, I'm gonna use the what's that word? The motion of your opponent punching you to help me slide her back. So we're here, right? 1, 2, 3. On that third punch, you're gonna go back. Now let's speed it up so you can know what it looks like. Right? 3 punches, that's it. Above the belt line. Go. You see on that third one, I used it to come back. And now look at the distance. I'm here. Your opponent's there. Right? You got time to retest. Your opponent's gonna come in. Now it's time to do your attack. Now, number 2 was the slip or the roll. Okay, gun 3. Right? I like to come down. Slow it down a little bit. So 1, 2, 3. I like to do here. As soon as you feel which hand it is. If it's your opponent's lead hand, I'm gonna come into it like this. Right? Drop. Come over. If it's the last punch is your opponent's a real punch. I said a real punch, not 3 punch. Real punch. One time, hold it up. If it's your opponent's a real punch like this, I'm gonna come this way. So here, slip under, over. Alright? So you're pushing your opponent's hands out of the way. Again, slow. 3 punch, slow. Go. Right? You're here. You see how I twist? Come under. Boom. Make your openings. Alright? Now, number 3 is the counter. Alright, boom. You have to throw a punch. So it'll be like this. Go 3. Boom! Boom! Alright? Because you know you already got hit 3 times. What's the worst thing that can happen? You get hit 4 times. But at least you break it now because your opponent already landed 3. So they are a little happy. They're confident. This will get them off of their game and be like, whoa, he's doing something. So again, boom. Alright? And those are your 3 techniques that you can use to get, not to get, but to use alongside the shell.